We're here at S-160 on the Tampa Bypass Canal. It's the furthest downstream structure that we have. The outfalls to the McKay Bay. It is a saltwater facing structure. My name is Jillian Burbakov. I'm the section manager for the Design and Construction Management section here at the district. We're implementing the Cathodic protection project because it's a saltwater facing structure. The saltwater attacks the rebar and causes corrosion to happen. We're trying to extend the life of the structure. S-160 was built in December of 1968, so it's over 50 years old. The first thing they have to do is chip away at the concrete and expose the rebar so that they can attach the anodes. We've put in discrete anodes that are embedded inside the concrete and then bulk anodes that are below the water surface. Both of these are zinc anodes. Zinc is a more noble metal, so this is why it's going to sacrifice itself and it's going to corrode before anything happens to the rebar. Here's how cathodic protection works. Salt water over time will corrode the rebar, weakening the structural integrity of the concrete. With the sacrificial anodes installed and connected to the rebar, and once the natural current is flowing through the system, the corrosive elements will attract to the sacrificial anode instead of the rebar, prolonging the life of the structure. S-160 has several different functions. It's the last line of defense for flood protection. When we have a lot of rain, a lot of water, and the lower Hillsborough flood detention is activated, it all flows through here and out into McKay Bay. And it also serves to prevent saltwater intrusion from McKay Bay into the Tampa Bypass Canal. There was actually a substantial amount of concrete work that was needed at this structure. Most of the walls at each of the 6 bays, except for Bay 3, were completely in need of being repaired. So they had these forms that they put in and they pumped the concrete in it. That allowed them to fix all of that concrete repair that was needed. We were able to undertake this much larger project because of the resiliency grant that we got from the Florida Department of Environmental Protection in the amount of $1.2 million. FDEP recently granted the district an additional $3.3 million to replace the current 6 existing floodgates and lift systems. We started this project in the dry season. They were able to complete all of the work that was underneath the structure in a timely manner. So now they can operate this structure during hurricane season with no issues. It's not going to affect it at all. This structure right here is very important. We want to make sure that it keeps working into the future so that way we can keep protecting the citizen in Hillsborough County.